Today's Wednesday, so it's Chick-fil-A day. I've gone probably every Wednesday for the past 3 or 4 years. Last week, went on the mobile app, always get a lemonade. I saw something, maybe it's like a little secret, menu hack, whatever you call it. You can add strawberry puree to the lemonade. A little bit extra. I attempted to try it last week, but they never put the strawberry puree in it. Still salty about my 20 cents that I lost, but that's okay. We're gonna go there again and try it. For the drink, I'm gonna do the lemonade with strawberry puree as well. So I got the goods. They look really light. I think on the bottom I see pink, so I just need to mix them up. Okay, cheers. You're lying, hold on. That is like probably the best strawberry lemonade I've ever had. Did you know Chick's lemonade is like strawberry puree? Y'all need to go try this. So this makes me kind of wonder like what other things I haven't tried at Chick-fil-A. I've been going to Chick-fil-A every Wednesday for how long? Platinum member for how long? And I didn't know they had this. Please let me know your crazy combinations or what you get at Chick-fil-A. I'll try all of them. I don't even care.